Hello. Happy Wednesday or whatever today it is that you're watching me. I am Christina. I am a serial entrepreneur. I've been able to build several businesses while working 9 to 5, and I help other entrepreneurs do the same thing by simply implementing systems that work, right? And I know this might sound strange, but I use the same strategies that I developed in corporate America to run my businesses. So today we're going to be talking about how to use Trello, which is a project management tool, to create your goals for 2022. Now, if you're a member of my Facebook group, I did a video on this a few months ago, and I mentioned that I think it was back in October. I said if we're in October, you should be working on quarter 2 of your business goals. But nevertheless, I had a lot of people reach out that wanted me to do another video. So here I am with another video on how to create your goals quarterly. Okay, so I created a draft template for you guys. So let's get started. So let's start with I like to start with my yearly goals, but we have to go back and look at, for example, we're in 2021. So my yearly goals for 2022, we added them in. Let me move these back over. I just finished another training in my group. So all right. So the first thing we want to do is your yearly revenue goal. What is your goal for the year? How much do you want to bring home? Like a lot of people say, I want to make 6 figures, 100,000, 200,000. How much? Okay, so we need to figure out what do you need to sustain your lifestyle, right? Your taxes. How much do you want to pay your contractors, like virtual assistants, anybody who helps you in your business, consultants? What about software and other expenses? So this will be the number you will actually make once you figure that out. And then also, how do you plan on earning this income? If you're a service provider, what services are you going to offer? A course, service, digital products. So make sure we list them all in this checklist, okay? And then also, I like to go back. I start in like the end of December, and I track all of my subscribers, Instagram followers. I put the numbers here, so I can have a clear picture of what my numbers were the end of the year. So we want to do that, okay? And then we want to list out just list out your goals, okay? Um, so I made some sample goals. I want to monetize my channel on YouTube. 10 one-on-one clients from Instagram, 10 one-on-one clients on Facebook, and then add 10 products or courses to sell, and then 10 one-on-one clients from LinkedIn, grow my Facebook group by 10,000. I have 2 part-time virtual assistants, but I want to hire 1 full-time. Okay. So these are just a few examples of goals you can set for your business, not personal. That's separate, right? But you can use the same format. So now let's jump into quarters. I have my goals separated per quarter every 3 months. But if you are more of a monthly person, you can do the same thing, just create months. So these are lists. So within each list, I have cards. So we want to talk about, this is the cover, sorry, quarterly goal, revenue goal for the quarter. How much do you want to make this quarter, right? So we need to know which service. So what is your price point of the service that you are offering, right? Is it $9.97? How many clients, are you, going to need? So let's say you want to earn 10K this quarter. No, let's say 30K this quarter. Okay. So we need to know what are we going to do to achieve that? Like what products or services we're going to offer. And then we want to start so January, let's remember, without data and analytics of how we're doing in business, there's no way to compare or to figure out what areas we need to improve on if we don't keep track of the numbers. So January, the end of January, let's go back into YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, email lists. That's very important because you're going to have some unsubscribers. Make sure we're tracking and maybe figure out why, if you have a high number of subscribers, you want to, kind of figure out why. And so just make sure you just put these numbers in for January, the end of February, the end of March. Okay. So we have a card for that. And then let's get into the business goals. So like I said, I want to get 10 one-on-one clients from Facebook, right? So let's just add this goal, and then you can add other goals as well. But this is just an example. So what I like to do is whenever I have a goal, we have to have an action behind it, right? We can create goals like all day, but what are the actions behind the goals that we want to accomplish, right? So if I want to get 10 clients from Facebook, I have to create tasks, right? So this cover, it says working on, or you can say, in progress. It's totally up to you. So my task to get the 10 clients for the quarter, right? I have to post twice a day, either on my personal page or in my group, right? DM strategy. If you don't know what that is, I'm going to be teaching that in my free 3-day challenge that starts January 4th. I'll drop the link in the comments. The DM strategy works. I get so many high paying ticket clients from the DMs. Don't let anyone tell you that it doesn't work. It's just the way, okay, there's a method to it. You don't just pop up with this long paragraph. Hey, no. But I'm going to show you how to do all of that, okay? So let's say that's our goal and these are our tasks. And then we can create as many tasks as we want. This is a checklist. So you can add more if you want. DM strategy, we can post, we can friend request, I don't know, 10 people and invite to your group. Just an example, okay? And then after quarter one is over, let's see what we accomplished, right? So let's say we were able to get the 10 clients. So we want to move that. Yay. And then if we had another goal we accomplished, revenue. Our revenue goal was 30K. We only achieved 20K. That's fine, right? But just keep, make sure we are tracking our progress. So now we want to go to the second quarter. So I know these are covered. So what I do is you can copy this cover, and then you can move it. Like I'm pointing. This accomplished cover is in quarter one, check-in quarter one. So you would just copy it and move it to check-in quarter two, and it will appear here. And you can do the same thing with these covers. Okay. So just copy it and move it to where you want it to go. So so let's just say, for example, we didn't fulfill the 10 clients. So we want to move over to second quarter because we want to, continue to work on getting those 10 clients. And that's okay if we didn't reach that goal. That's fine. We want to make sure the task. So we had the task in quarter one that we were working on. We can copy it. I'm going to archive this one and show you. So we can copy this task and move it to quarter two, create the card, and there it is. So now let's just say, okay, so last quarter we did all of this and we didn't get, okay, let's say, we didn't get any, one-on-one clients. So maybe we need to revisit our strategy just a little bit more, right? So maybe we need to add some templates, free templates, something like that, some type of lead magnet. Okay, this is just an example. So just think about things, ways to improve so you can reach your goal, things you should implement. Okay, and then let's say we were able to do it, so we want to move it to quarter two. We got it done. Yes, the revenue goal. We wanted 20K in the I'm sorry. Wait. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. So for quarter two, our revenue goal was that 10K we missed in quarter one. So quarter two, we want to say, what do you want to say? 30? Let's just keep it to 30. 30K. Okay. Oh, for quarter two, we reached our goal, 30K. Okay, cool, great. So so basically you would just follow this example from quarter three, quarter four. So okay, let me just show you how I create my covers. So we have the quarterly revenue. So we want to move this to quarter four. So we copy it, move it to quarter four, create the card. There it is. Just move it to the top. There it goes. Right. And then we want to check in quarter four. So we want to click here, copy, and then quarter four, check in. Here it is. Okay. So it's pretty simple. But if you're more of a monthly person, you can just, instead of saying quarter, just say January, right? You can do whatever you want to do. Now, if you haven't signed up for my 3-day challenge, if you're a service provider, photographer, consultant, coach, wedding planner, social media manager, virtual assistant, you name it, business manager, this is for you. I'm going to show you how to get clients. If you're struggling to get clients and sales, or if your business is doing awesome, but the back end is a hot mess, I'm going to help you. I'm going to help you fix that. And also, if you've invested in so many unnecessary tools and systems, and software, I'm going to show you how you can consolidate that. Last year, before I figured out, I was spending at least $450 a month on unnecessary tools, and then half of them I wasn't even using, right? So the challenge starts January 4th. I'm going to be talking about attracting your target audience. We don't want to just be posting on Facebook to everybody, because everybody is not your target or your ideal client, right? I'm going to talk to you about becoming the authority in your industry, right? You want to be the authority. Yes, your niche may be saturated, but you're different, right? What sets you apart from other coaches, other photographers, other makeup artists? And then we want to talk about how I get clients on repeat. I'm going to show you. All right. So I will leave the link in the bio below. Don't forget, class starts January 4th. It's free. If you can't catch the live trainings, I will have the replays emailed out. So even if you can't attend, please sign up, because I will email the replay. Okay. All right, you guys. So I hope you guys have a great new year, a happy new year, and a blessed new year. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.